Hi friends! Today we're going over 5 mistakes ruining your makeup that you could be doing and you didn't even know it. Let's get into it. Not cleaning your makeup brushes is costing you beautiful, gorgeous skin diva, which makes your base makeup look bumpy, and we all know it's all about that base. Built up bacteria on your brushes can cause acne. Eye makeup brushes can cause other gross things that you don't want, so wash those brushes. If you want true face-tuned skin, start shaving your face. Apply an oil to prevent skid marks, but getting rid of the peach fuzz makes your makeup look 10 times better. I dermaplane every 10 to 14 days, so my skin stays looking radiant. These are the areas I'm shaving: my unibrow, my cheeks, this part where the end brow connects to the side baby hairs gets full of hair and makes me look like a werewolf, like right here. Anybody else have that problem? Once you start dermaplaning, products like cream contour foundation lay smoother on the face, and your skincare will absorb better as well. Not dermaplaning can make your makeup look dull and patchy because it's clinging onto the hair, if that makes sense. Warning, once you start, you will not stop. The pros outweigh the cons, and who doesn't want smoother, brighter skin? If you don't want to do it yourself, head to your favorite med spot and treat yourself. But it's really easy to do once you get the hang of it. Setting your concealer right away enhances creasing under the eye and it makes it look cakey, which is ruining your makeup. So do not do this, okay? Instead, you're gonna apply your concealer, so tap, tap, tap it in. And this trick is going to be most beneficial under the eyes. Let it sit for a minute or two before applying setting powder. This will give you amazing coverage and reduce creasing because it gives the powder something to stick onto. So press on like this and you'll see how blurred under the eyes look. This is what we want. And just like that, we are blurred and smooth, before and after. Look at that. Not contouring according to your face shape is ruining your makeup. Depending on your face shape, a straight down diagonal contour can be dragging your face down even more instead of the chiseled cheek look. Here's a guide. I hope you took a screenshot. Wherever you decide on your placement, make sure it's a little higher, not down here in this area. Taking my cream stick, I'm going upwards for the illusion of lifted cheeks. I'm not going to contour the other side so you can see the difference. Okay, I have one side with contour and the other side has no contour. And you can tell because this side here looks slightly more flat. Do you notice the difference? Comment below. Remember in 2016 when we were setting our lips before our lip combo? We need to go back to that because it worked. This is the hack to keep that gorgeous lip combo on longer than usual. So apply your translucent powder that you already have. You don't have to buy the newest one to make this work. And oh, make sure to have a little bit of lip balm on for the powder to stick onto. Otherwise, applying powder straight to the lips can make your lips dry. And we are not having chapped lips in 2026. We are better than that, friends. And just an added bonus, please switch out your mascaras every 3 months at the least. Sometimes old mascara can be causing your watery eyes, which is ruining your makeup, so switch them out. I'm digging this nude lip combo. What about you guys? And these are my mascaras that I'll be switching out. Thank you. Okay, friends, if you learned anything in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week with a brand new video. As always, stay fabulous.